Get ready to witness nature's kind of love. Watch as the parent Amami thrush nourishes its little ones with tiny, tasty meals. In the quiet corners of the world, love exists in the simplest and most heartwarming ways, like this act of feeding. A mother's love, a father's strength, and a nest full of warmth. This is what family looks like. Every day, the parent bird takes off in search of food for its little ones, knowing that tiny beaks are waiting back home. There is nothing more touching than witnessing a bird tirelessly taking care of her babies. To the world, they might be just birds, but to these little ones, they are everything.